Stop what you're doing. If you want a 50% deposit bonus with no immediate KYC required, you need to act fast on this BitMart event right now. BitMart just launched an incredibly aggressive promo. The main event is simple: deposit 1,000 USDT and get a massive 500 USDT futures bonus. That is real trading margin, not a restrictive voucher. On top of that, there is a volume reward. If you are trading anyway, hitting 100K volume gets you a 10 USDT voucher, and 1 million volume gets you a 100 USDT voucher. This is also limited to the first 100 users, so you are basically earning extra while you trade. But listen carefully, the caps are super tight. We are talking first 50 to 100 users only. This will be gone in hours, maybe minutes. Two crucial things before you rush in. Number 1, all details and the sign-up link are in the description. Number 2, you must click the Join Now button on the event page before you deposit. If you forget that button, you get nothing. Also, watch out for the vouchers from the other tasks. They are locked at 2x leverage and auto-close in 24 hours. Focus on the main deposit bonus task 2. That's the real gold here. Don't wait. Check the link in the description, click Join, Deposit, and claim that 50% bonus before the spots fill up. Go!